Baba is telling Dadiji all whatever zeal and enthusiasm that you had in you when you conveyed the message that has reached Baba, and Baba will make the plan. Must be Dadiji sent some message to Baba, and Baba says Baba will make the plan. Baba will see, he will through some method make the plan. In Madhuban, or you're so busy in the classes that you don't think of anything else? What do you do? You're not able to hear? In Madhuban, do you get free time for gossiping, for talking here and there? Or do you remain busy in classes? Do you get free time? You remain busy in classes, don't you? Do you attend all the classes? Do you attend all the classes? You should attend all the classes. Why? Because in each jewel, Bap Dada has filled one or the other speciality. So, whoever may be conducting class, you should attend. It shouldn't be that so and so is giving class and therefore we will all attend, and maybe if it's someone else's class and you don't have much interest and you don't go. No, it should not happen like that. Whoever may be giving class, that one has some or the other speciality. And everyone cannot reach your place, your center. They meet you here itself. So raise your hand, those who have attended all the classes, not missed even one class. Did you attend all the classes? Teachers, you take care of your own duties. Teachers are busy in their jobs. And those, one is to go on an official tour to meet everyone. One is to go on an official tour to meet everyone because there is work. That's another thing. But those who had no work but still did not attend class and just went for a walk without any work, raise your hand. You had no work and still did not attend the class, raise your hand. No one raised their hand. But I think somebody must have. So Baba says, don't do it again. Because whatever classes you get, they are useful for you. They are useful. Now you hear a great deal and therefore you think, oh, you know everything. You have understood everything. But there are some points which are very useful, which can be very useful, and when they are needed, you get to that point. So keep yourself busy in Madhuban, busy in your study. Of course, eat, drink, be merry, that you may do, but that also at the right time. David is also working very hard. You like to come in the front, David? Come in the front. Ashok Bhai saying it is in a smaller form and we want to have it in a larger form. And he is also blessed. Baba saying Golu is blessed with the blessing that he works very hard, and he works very hard with love, and secondly he gets good touchings. Firstly he works hard with love, and secondly he gets touchings from Baba.
और टोली बांटने वाले उन्हें एक टोली देंगे. इन लहरों को दामन में भर जाऊं.
जहां हसीन बाबा। सूरज या चांद किससे, सूरज या चांद किससे तुलना करूं तुम्हारी, तुलना करूं तुम्हारी। रचता है तू सभी का, रचता है तू सभी का, रचना है सब तुम्हारी, रचना है सब तुम्हारी। तू है जहां से न्यारा, तू है जहां से न्यारा। उपमा नहीं जहां में, उपमा नहीं जहां में, तुम सा हसीन बाबा। नजरें पड़ी जो तुम पर, नजरें पड़ी जो तुम पर, हटने का नाम ना ले, हटने का नाम ना ले। पलकों के डाल पर दे, पलकों के डाल पर दे, दिल में कहीं छिपा ले, दिल में कहीं छिपा ले। खो जाए तुझ में बाबा, खो जाए तुझ में बाबा। लौटे ना इस जहां में, लौटे ना इस जहां में, तुम सा हसीन बाबा। माशूक प्यारा है तू, माशूक प्यारा है तू, आशिक है सारी दुनिया, आशिक है सारी दुनिया।